up the mountain like we've done 1,000 other times before.
It's 0 degrees.
0?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised. Better call the customer. We're supposed to be in Blackheath, but the apparently the highway's closed from Katoomba to Blackheath.
Sorry, I was trying to hit the camera.
Okay. Rule 1, when you're going under the house, put all your valuables out of your pockets. That's not too valuable. Something over there. Okay. What's that? Is that it there?
I think we need to do some commando training days.
That's it, man.
Found it?
Yeah, it goes up here. There's a call Marty. We'll just trace this back. So this one goes along here. Let's go this way.
Oh, shit. Hopefully green light on the router.
Yeah, I love green lights.
Alright.
Red is always bad.
We'll be back when we have updates.
And action, feed the content.
Been crawling for weeks and weeks. Can't find a way out.
Day 35.
Yeah, we've been surviving off snails.
Drinking water from the tub. I'm already. Oh wait.
What are you doing?
What's that?
Are you feeding a conduit under the house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we have to move, I guess.
Okay.
So we'll have to go. Oh, I see her. I see her. Keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Twist it. Oh, that's not ideal. Keep going. You've hit. I see where you've hit. All right, I'll go over there. I gotta go around here. Oh, stop! I got it.
Alright, cool. We'll go about to there.
Can I pull more?
No, wait. I'll let me pull the cable on.
Conduit acquired.
Put it down as is. What have you got under there with you?
Make sure it's good.
Let's go.
All right. Wolftex roll out. Is that an ice cream cone?
Yeah.
Please tell me that's the last time I have to go under there.
Hope so. All right. Problem solved. Let's go see if it works.